Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you a quick AliExpress haul. So here is few stuff that I ordered, and there's still something that need to come in, but I couldn't wait to open these, so I decided why not to share a haul with you. So the first thing that I ordered are some glitters, and these will be most probably included into the giveaway that I will host soon. And for these I only paid 14p. Like for this quantity I only paid 14p. It's so rare that you get this much of glitter in just this small amount of money. Next thing that I got are these nail foils, and they are 10 in total, and for these I paid £1.69. They are 10 in total, and they are 20 centimeter long and 4 centimeter wide, I think so, and they are in floral print. They are actually pretty good deal. So the next thing is this one. I will show you one by one. So the next thing that I got are these Chanel stickers, and with these they sent me this freebie, and they are like pretty good star glitters or sequins you can call them, and most probably these I will include in the giveaway as well. And these are the stickers that you get, and I paid £2.96 for this one, and they are 30. And these are not water decals, but they are stickers, which means you're just gonna take them off from the sheet and just gonna place on your nail. And this is the next thing that I ordered. The next thing that I order are these water decals, and they are 50 in total, and for these I paid £2.20. And I actually needed something like butterflies or watercolor thing, and some of them will also be in the giveaway. I decided to get more of them because I actually loved it. Like it was a good deal. Like you're getting 50 decals for only £2.20, and I will show you them one by one all.
Unclear
next thing that I ordered are again these stickies, and this time they are mixed up. Like you get the Louis Vuitton one, you get bows, you get one I think as well, and then mix up all stuff. And for these I only paid £2.96, and with these you get doubles, like you get 30, but actually there are 15 different designs, so you get for each design you get 2 shades. So if you want to like use on press or nails, you can actually use them because you're getting plenty of them. So this is it for today, and I hope you like this video, and I will see you very soon. Bye.